Hi, this video is from interview.com. Interview.com is a job portal. If you're looking for a job, you can log on to interview.com and you can post your resume with us. In this video, I'm going to talk about one of the very important Java integration, generics in Java. What is generics in Java? Generics is one of the core feature of Java programming and it was introduced in Java 5. Generics was added in Java 5 to provide compile time type checking. I want to repeat this. It 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 is used to provide compile time type checking and removing risk of class cast exception. So please remember, generics means it helps us to remove the class cast exception that was common while working with collection classes. Generics are implemented using type eraser. I will explain you what is type eraser. It's a very small concept in generics. Generics does not support subtyping like this. List numbers equal to array list integer. So this is not supported. Actually, integer is a subclass of number. So this inheritance is not supported. Array list. Array list is a subclass of list. So this is already supported, but subtyping is not supported. So let's see before generics how it was working. So there is a method called before generics. So I am creating a list here. It's a raw list. You can see here it says array list is a raw type. Reference to generics. It is saying use generic type, don't use raw type. There might be a risk. So but still we are proceeding with this raw type. Raw type means using this declaration I'm not able to know what type of object this array list will contain. Got it? So this array list I'm not sure what type of object is going to contain. So we are trying to add a string here. In the next line we are trying to add integer. Okay, so while trying to iterate this, I'm trying to iterate this list. What exactly happens is we are trying to typecast it. Of course, we are trying to do a typecast to string, and which leads to class cast exception at runtime. But compile time everything goes well. At runtime it will give a class cast exception. So the generics what it says is, if you are going to use collection, have the type also with the collection like this. So in this line I'll come to know, and I'm sure this list is going to handle only string. This collection can hold only string. If I try to add an integer at the compile time itself, I'll be getting an error. It will say add int string, list string is not applicable for the arguments int. It says only string is possible. In the compile time itself we will find out the issue. Now can you check the error? Compile error gone. Compiler error has been removed. So using generics I know what type of object does the collection can hold, and I'm trying to iterate. There will not be any class cast exception. Let's execute this and see how exactly it works. So before generics method I'm going to call. Okay, so I'm going to add or a string and an integer, which is very dangerous, and I'm trying to typecast to string, which is really dangerous, and we got an exception. Can you see here it entered the catch block, and with exception we got class cast exception. It says integer cannot be cast to string. Again we are going to the generics. So generics, we know that even if we try to add integer here, it will not allow to add the integer. So this is where generics plays an important role in handling collections, and you can also use the interfaces and the method type you can also use for that. Hope this video is useful for your interview preparation. Before that, I want to just show you how the decompiler looks like. So you have a code here. So can you see generics? Before generics there is a code. The string has been removed. There is a string here, okay, but here there is no string. This is called type eraser. It will remove the type while compiling. After the compilation, it will remove these parameters string, because during the compile time it comes to know what type of collection. After the compilation, it does not require it, so it is removed in the decompiler. So I have opened the same code using the decompiler. Okay, so we are not able to see this string. This is called type eraser. Hope this video is useful for your interview preparation. Thank you and all the best.